morning, my dear children. This is Fancy Jose from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 5th Max. This is our Max book, Inspired Max of class 5th. We are on the lesson chapter 5, Factors and Multiples. In the last video, we have seen that how to find HCF of two numbers. Here we will see how to find the LCM of two or more numbers. Many of you make mistakes when you take out LCM. So all of you listen carefully and watch this video carefully. I will explain to you detail how to take LCM. So let us get started. First we will see what is the definition of LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the numbers without leaving a remainder. That is, this is the number, the smallest number that can be divided by two numbers without leaving a remainder. And for finding LCM, there are two methods. One is prime factorization method and the second is division method. We will see the method. So, we will see the first method. This is prime factorization method. Here, one example is there. Find the LCM of 8, 24 and 36. So, first find the prime factors. Here prime factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. And prime factors of 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And prime factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Here what is the LCM? In LCM, in HCM what we were doing? We were doing that take only the common factors and take the product. But here we will take all the factors, but one thing is that if one factor is common in all the numbers, then we will take only one from that pair. That is, here in this, that is 2 is repeating in all the three numbers, so we will take only 1, 2. Okay, and again one more 2 is repeating, so we will take only 1. Now the numbers which is repeating in all the three is over. Now we will see any numbers are repeating in two of the numbers. So 2 is repeating in 8 and 24. So this is a pair. We will take only 1, 2 from this. Again 3 is repeating in 24 and 36, but we will take only 1, 3. And 1, 3 is left out. That also we will take. Clear how to take? That is, if any number is repeating in all the three, so we will take 1, 1 from each. Again any number is repeating in any two of the numbers, from that pairs also we will take 1, 1. And any number is left out, that also. And now take the product of all this, that is the LCM of these three numbers. So this is the first method, prime factorization method. And what is the second method? Second method is division method, that I will show you. Okay, this is the division method. Here I have taken one example, that is find the LCM of 24 and 36. So you have to write like this first, then you have to see that with any of the prime numbers is these numbers, that is at least one number is divisible. Here you can see it is divisible with the prime number 2. So we will divide 12 and 18. Again with 2 we will take 6 and 9. But here 9 is there, 9 is not divisible by 2. So what you have to write that 9 you in the next step you write 9 as it is. Okay, so we divide with 2, so here you got 3. Now it is not divisible with 2, so we will take the next prime number, that is 3. That is 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and until we get the last row is 1, we will repeat this process. And what will be our LCM? LCM is you have to multiply the numbers on this side. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is our answer is 72. Now we will solve some of the questions, then it will be clear to you all. So this is our first question, that is find LCM by prime factorization method. Our question number 1 is 12 and 15. So first you take the prime factors of 12, 2, 6, again 2, then 3. Okay, then like this 15 also. With 2 it is not possible, so we will take the next prime number, that is 3 and 5, this much. So 12 is equals 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 is equals 3 into 5. I have written 3 here for understanding it easily. Okay, that is, now we have to take LCM now. So how to take? First you have to see that any number is repeating in both the numbers, that is any factors is repeating, any prime factors are repeating in both of this, that is 3 is repeating, so we will take only 1 3 from this. Okay, we have taken. Now we can see that 2 is there, whatever left is that you have to take. Now no pairs are there, so whatever left that you have to take. 2 into 2 into 5, that is your answer will be 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 5 60. Here the LCM is 60. Clear? Once again I will show you, that is first you take the prime factorization of 12, then of 15. Now take like this, then you see that any number is repeating in both, so 3 is repeating, so we will take only 1 3. Then whatever left, that also you have to write. Now the product is 60. Clear? Now we will do the next question. Our second question is that 16 and 20. Okay, take the LCM of 16 and 20 by prime factorization method. So 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay, now you can stop here. 20 also, 2, 10, then with 2, 5. So you write like this, 16 is equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2's are there, and 10 is equals 2 into 2 into 5. So what will be the LCM? I am showing here. LCM is equals, first you see any numbers are repeating, any prime numbers are repeating, that is 2 is repeating here. Okay, one more 2 is repeating there, so from this pair you will take 1 1 2, that is first pair 1, then from second pair also 1, then whatever left that you have to write, that is 2 into 2 into 5. What will be the answer? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, and 16 into 5 80. So this is the LCM. So this method is known as finding LCM by prime factorization method. Now we will move to the next method, that is division method. This is our next method, finding LCM by division method. So this is our question. We have to find the LCM of 42 and 56. So you have to write like this, 42 and 56, and you have to see that these two numbers, at least any one of the number is divisible by a prime number. So you can see that with 2 both the numbers are divisible. So you can start dividing. Here 2 1, and here it will be 28. Then you can see here that this is 21 and this is 28. 21 is not divisible by 2, but 28 is divisible. So you have to do the division with 28, but 21 is not divisible, so you can write 21 as it is in the next step. So 21, and here it will be 14. Again with 2 you can do 21, and here it will be 7. Okay, next in this step, now now it cannot be further divisible by 2. So we will take our next prime number, that is 3. With 3, 21 is divisible, that is 7 3s are 21. So 7 is not divisible, so you write it as it is. Okay, now here both are 7, this is divisible by 7. Until you reach the last row 1, you have to do this division. So what will be our LCM? LCM will be product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Answer will be, if you take the product, your answer will be 168. Clear? Now we will go to the next question. This is our next question. 18, 24 and 32. So we will start with 2. 9 2s are 8, 12 and 16. Okay. Next again with 2. 9 is not divisible, so 9 write as it is. Here 6 and here 8. Now again with 2. 9 still you have to write 3 and here it will be 4. Then again with 2. Now 9 and 3 is not divisible with 2, so you write as it is. Then here again 2. Then with again 2, 9, 3 and 1. Okay, now it is not possible with 2, so we will take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 1. Now again with 3, 1 1 1. Now you got the last row, all are 1. Now what will be the LCM? You have to multiply all these numbers. That is LCM is equals, here there are 5 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. Okay. What will be the answer? Answer will be, if you multiply, you will get this answer 288. Clear? This is how we find LCM by division method. We will see one more question here. Okay, this is our third question. This is little bit big numbers, so we will start. First we will do with 2. So 93 is not divisible by 2, so we will write as it is. Then 62 is 31 and here it will be 60. Now again with 2, so 93 and 31 will write as it is. Again 31 and 15. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we will do with 3. So 3, it is divisible with 3. 3, 31, 31 and here 5. Okay. Now we will do with the next prime number, that is with 5. That is 31, 31 and 1. Okay. Now 31 is a prime number, so we will do with 31, 1, 1, 1. So our last row became 1. So now what is the LCM? LCM is the product of all these numbers. That is LCM is equals, 3 2's are there, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 5 into 31, 3 into 5 into 31. So you take the product, you will get the answer as 3720. Clear? So this was little bit big number, no problem. The same steps you have to follow. That is LCM is the product of all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 31. Answer is 3720. Okay. So hope this video was clear to you all. So we have completed this chapter. Thank you all of you. Take care.